Good evening, Mom. So this is my video reflection activity in Prof Ed 3, the teaching profession. The first question is, why did you choose to pursue the teaching profession? So I chose to pursue the teaching profession because I was motivated by my aunt who is currently supporting my studies. She's a high school teacher and almost 15 years in service. I can see that even her old students still recognize her whenever they met her. Also, I was inspired by her passion in teaching. Also, in my personal viewpoint, since I haven't been able to continue my old course, which is the Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, maybe this path is for me. And I hope this time I'll be able to finish it. Second question is, in your opinion, what are the qualities and characteristics of a good and effective teacher? So I think being a good and effective teacher requires patience, especially to students with different behaviors and personalities. Dedication in order to teach the students well, passion for them to enjoy the process even when it's hard, and lastly, sacrifice because teaching is never an easy work. I believe all of those traits are important because it guides the teacher in making the students achieve their full potential and help them to grow individually and holistically towards their dreams. Third question, as a future teacher, how do you plan to contribute to the improvement of education? As a future teacher, I plan to teach students focusing on their unique skills, abilities, and talents because I believe an individual can grow if he loves what he do. If I am able to guide and push the learners to their full potential, maybe one day we can see them making an impact to the society. Fourth question, who has been your most inspiring teacher and how did the teacher influence your life? I remember my class advisor when I was in 10th grade. He was so smart and he taught us in a very unique way. He doesn't just stand in front and speak endlessly. He act what he was trying to say and make us perform too. I was so inspired that even until now I can still remember some of the most important learnings he had taught us. So he helped me build my confidence and pushed me to always do my best, especially in class. Last question. Think of a teacher whose teaching style or behavior had a negative impact on your learning. What specific practices or characteristics would you avoid when you become a teacher? Recently, I've encountered one instructor whose teaching style is a bit too much. Like, he wouldn't accept even just a very minimal mistake, especially in quizzes. Like, if the alignment of the fractional bar and equal sign is not proper, even if the answer is correct, it's still wrong for him. Another is how he gave grades to his students just like me. Even if I always participate in class, I have high scores in quizzes and exam. I think it's not fair that my grades got diminished just because of a 5 minute late, which I believe is only 10% in the grading system. That's why if I'm able to be a teacher someday, I wouldn't let any of my students feel that there's an unfair treatment in class, especially if you did your best. So that's all of my answers. Um, regarding with the reflection activity. Thank you.